guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Prerona, a second year Mbbs student from Aiims Deoghar, and today I am here with a video for all my first year fellows who are trying to navigate college while balancing their life and first year of MBBS. So if you are a first year MBBS student, you are in all probability feeling overwhelmed, stressed, and wondering how to live in college now that you have already chosen MBBS for life. And yeah, I've been there in your shoes, explored life, topped first year of MBBS, and now got you covered. So if you're ready to learn from my experience and mistakes and gain some valuable insights to cover up everything, you are at the right place. Just keep watching. Now that we have got the introduction out of the way, let us get into the good stuff. So for ease of conveying and understanding, I've segregated the things in this video into some key areas which I think are most basic and most crucial to understand first. So in this video, we will be exploring your academic life, your subscriptions and resources, your technology, your research options, your on-campus personal and social life, and finally some survival tips to boost your productivity. So starting off with your academic life, the sheer volume of information in first year can be overwhelming, and it is okay to get intimidated. Firstly, it is about understanding that handling MBBS is not the same as handling your NCERT that led you to crack NEET and get into the college. It is no more having to memorize every line of your book, rather focusing on understanding the basic mechanism of how things work. You no longer need to remember which photo on what page has what hidden information to copy in the exam along with the comma and semicolon. So now if you know the concepts, you will be able to ace your tests because questions are conceptual, case-based, and rarely direct. The next thing under this heading would be study techniques, because rereading your notes 12 times isn't the most effective way to learn. Been there, done that. Make active learning your habit. Understand that you will no longer be spoon-fed. Now you will learn whatever you want to learn. Active recall, flashcards, and practice questions are your new BFFs. Make concept maps, flowcharts, and diagrams to retain information better. Learn the art of note-taking. It is not about copying the whole book down in a notebook or highlighting every single line of your book because everything seems new. So when you're reading for the first time, consider not highlighting at all. Just read it once and then get to know what is really important and what is not. Learn to highlight the really important points so that you know before the exam what you really need to read to remember whatever was there in that paragraph. Next is about prioritizing subject and the art of focusing on what matters most without losing your sanity. Identify your strengths and weaknesses and allocate your study time accordingly. Focus on one subject at a time and understand the basics before moving on to a more advanced topic. This will help you understand things better and prevent you from reading and rereading and falling in that vicious cycle of never leaving a single page. Remember, it is quality over quantity. You don't need to know everything, but you need to know whatever you know really well. Coming to your subscriptions and resources, they are the secret ingredients to your med school success. So invest in a good coaching platform because you will need it at some point of time to understand some concepts which you don't get in class or during the exams when it is not possible to read the entire book and understand the concept. So yeah, personally I have used the eGurukul platform because I love the videos in anatomy from Dr. Ashwini sir, and for physiology and biochemistry I did not refer to videos a lot. I prefer to read the books. That is, for physio I read your Guyton, and for biochemistry I preferred Vasudevan. The books I've covered in a separate video. I'll add the link in the description box. It is also on my channel. You can just go check out. Also, do not forget to make use of your college library. That is a great option to check out on different books and find out what really suits you. So if you find some book that really gets you or you just understand and want to read it like for a long time, then you can just consider even buying it. But first explore the options from the library because they have a huge reserve of books which might be helpful to you. Next, coming to your technology use, because who needs a stethoscope when they have a smartphone?
What?
Just kidding. Invest in a good laptop or tablet or whatever device helps you stay organized. Now, this is a very common point of dilemma, and I've received some questions regarding whether to have a laptop or a tablet and which model is good. So, I'll be covering that in a separate video because I don't want to mix up things and make this video extremely long. So, personally, I have one HP laptop and one Samsung S9 FE tab, about which I'll be sharing in a separate video. Yeah, so explore different sites, softwares, applications that might aid your studies. Just remember one thing: technology is meant to aid your studies and not replace them. Now, coming to your research work, and especially if you are in any Aims, this is a severely hyped topic, and a lot of students find it difficult to understand initially. Even I found it difficult to understand initially. So, even if it might be a bit difficult to grasp at this stage, try to refer to platforms like PubMed, ResearchGate, Google Scholars, and try to read the articles on a topic of your interest and try to understand how things are written and how it really works. Refer to teachers who might be interested in teaching you about research work, or just apply for some research grants that in first year like STS and all, so that you get an exposure to this field. And so yeah, I guess that pretty much sums it up as far as your academics is concerned. If you feel you need any details in particular, do consider commenting and I'll try to cover them up in the next videos. Now let us come to deal with your personal life and your on-campus social life. Maintaining friendships is necessary as well as tricky because you just got exposure to a batch of 100 to 250 students, all of whom are new to you, and you also have friends from school and coaching you need to keep in touch with, right? So make time for your loved ones, even if it's just a text or just a call. Call your family and talk to them every day. Make this a habit. Do not procrastinate, because as you are missing your family is also missing you. So that connection is a good mental therapy, to be honest. Schedule regular check-ins with your family, friends, and prioritize activities that boost your mental health. Connect with friends on campus, form study groups, and participate in different extracurricular activities. And make it a point to participate in all college events. First year is the best time to explore, so do not compromise on that. Participate in extracurricular activities, do research projects, explore life, join clubs, go for trips, and do anything that might align with your interests. Don't be afraid to try out new things. Navigate your campus and try to know where you have your gym, your library, your cafeteria, or just a cozy silent spot that might suit your mindset. Do not be afraid to ask for help. Understand that all of us are on the same page and our peers and professors are definitely there to help us out. Balancing so much at a time suddenly feels overwhelming, right? But understand that you need to take care of yourself and your mental health. Practice any hobby which you have, or you can just cultivate a hobby that might suit your interest and keep you happy. Make time at least once a week for that and stick to it. Limit your social media time and invest in something productive even if you are not studying. You can choose to exercise, meditate, or listen to music or sing music. Basically anything that caters to your joy, caters to your mental health, and caters to your interest and helps you unwind. With exams becoming the new normal, try to avoid the last minute burnout. Now, handling first year of MBBS is a life experience that cannot be covered in a single video. I'll be covering that in subsequent videos step by step. So remember to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on anything important. Now let us discuss some more survival guides which can boost your productivity and help you do better. Create a schedule to plan out your day, week, and month to stay on track. Try to break down large tasks into small manageable parts and focus on important tasks first. Avoid procrastination and take breaks. Create a budget and keep track of that. Pay your bills on time to avoid the fine and the procedures related to it. So yeah, that's it roughly for this video. I'm not planning to make this extremely long and boring. I will cover important individual topics in the subsequent videos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned so that you don't miss out on them. If this video helped you in any way, then consider liking, commenting, and sharing the video. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay awesome, and I'll meet you on the next video. Bye bye.